So, did you know that Raul speaks Italian?
No.
I didn't know that either, but I just found him in timeout in his truck. And he's got his tablet, and he's communicating with his vehicle in Italian.
Is he saying spaghetti?
I wasn't exactly sure. In this episode of the shop, we have a 2015 Jeep Moab that's here for some Twisted Metal Concepts love. We're going to replace the fenders and bumpers with performance parts from Smitty Built, as well as add a winch, LED light bars, and automatic steps to make it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. First thing we'll do is jump on the steps. With parts that are made to fit multiple year models, it's important to get everything lined up to find the proper fit. Did a dingo H.O. baby?
A dango H.O. baby. What? Maybe a dango H.O. baby.
Raul is awesome when it comes to this task. All right, Raul, the moment of truth.
Does it work?
Does it work? Open that door, let's see. Bam!
Bam!
Just like that.
Still need to finish wiring the other light, but everything's
nice. The key numero uno factor is it passed the Raul quality control checkpoint. Party on, brother.
Party on, Wing!
Now that the most challenging part of the job is complete, it's on to the fenders. Fenders are pretty easy if you have the right tools and are odd enough to know which parts you need to remove and what to leave alone.
I like being odd. Quite peculiar.
Measure twice and cut once is a policy we always live by here at Twisted Metal Concepts. When it comes to cutting up a factory grill for our customer's Jeep, we have to get it right the first time. Lastly, to the A-pillars to support the 56-inch LED light bar, and then it's on to some wiring. What are you doing, Raul?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Trying to see what you're doing. Looks like you're wiring.
I'm having fun for a Friday. Can't you see my face?
You should get Mr. Hefner over here. He loves wiring.
Hey, there he is.
No, thank you.
Raul looks good, man. Looks way different than it did a few days ago.
Yeah, very much so. Very much so. We did quite a bit, actually. We start off right here in the front. And first thing you notice is the bumper. We went ahead and pulled out the stock Moab bumper and front and back. Put in this nice little bumper right here with complemented with the Rough Country 9500 Pro Series winch. And then we went ahead and got the Rough Country grill insert with light bar brackets built into it. All we had to do was just go ahead and cut into it and bolt it up, and it really sets it off. And then we got the Angry Birds brow, which complements the grill. And then next thing we got over here, we went with the metal tube fenders. Cuts away quite a bit, and it gives you a whole lot of space. It looks really clean too. With the Rough Country as well, we went with the Rough Country inner fenders. And we went with the AMP Research side steps. As you can see, open and close, and they pop out. Went ahead and did the rear fenders as well with the rear inners. We got the fifth wheel swing tire carrier as well. We did away with the old factory bumper and did some custom clean cut wiring as we normally do. And on top of that, the guys from Mojo Jeeps, Mojo Shades, they make this really nice little third brake light that shines through your rim. So it looks pretty good. Looks all in all, I mean it's coming together pretty well.
You're perfect, Raul. This is why people come to you for this stuff, brother. Nice job.
Thank you very much. You guys come check us out, Twist Metal Concepts. You won't be disappointed.